All right, so let's just take you down a day in the life of AI and developer. Monday morning, I had a meeting with one of my clients. She says, "Hey, Mark, I'm really loving Sam. The one thing that I am needing to understand or think about is how do I do repairs, tracking repairs as part of a transaction." It's like, wow, I'm sorry, I don't have anything for you, but let me think about it. So later that night, I got on using AI, using Sam's capability. It's self aware. And I said, okay, here's what I want. I want to be able to track the different repairs. I want to be able to keep receipts. I want to do photos. I described in detail everything I wanted, and then I clicked on begin. It went through, started doing the programming, and yes, there were some challenges. I had to go in and use my engineering capabilities, but all in all, it actually came out quite well. So what happened then is it came up with this screen here. Now here's some of what it can do. Maybe you come in and you want to import data from some invoice or some inspection report or something like that. We click on the inspection report and click on open. It will then take that inspection report, go ahead and update it into files. It knew where to put it in files. It then takes that file and it uses the AI built in and says, oh, what's in it? Let's figure it out. And these are the different things that it found inside the inspection report. I click on import all five. Now it goes through and it starts putting in all the different items of that inspection report into the system so that I can start tracking it. Each one of these have different details. All of the information here was from my specifications and went through. If I go in there, set some statuses, maybe I want to schedule this or say it's in progress or whatever, I can specify who are the responsible party members, and these are all just sample data. There's nothing real here, but putting in some basic information about it. Maybe you've got some before and after photos you want to load. It collects all the information, keeps it all stored, but we're using AI to interpret the information and do the things that it needs to do to make it very quick. So all the data entry, all of everything that needs to be done is done for you. It can then come in here and do some reporting. There's different types of like open item reporting that I had it put in. It's just crazy what you can do with the capabilities of AI and being able to utilize it within your own processes. So just a word of advice. Hey, go out there, learn some AI, learn some capabilities to help your job work better. And if you are a real estate agent and you want to see what AI can do for you, but you don't have the time to go in and create everything yourself, a lot of agents try that and then they get frustrated. And I've used, the last 2 years to really learn deep what AI can do for us, but taking my 36 years of engineering, of software, CRM, in creating the things that I've done over these many years and created my dream CRM for the real estate industry. I hope you guys enjoy it. Certainly take a look at it. There's lots more to this than what meets the eye, but just wanted to kind of show you the day in the life of creating a CRM piece within just a matter of moments. So have a great day.